So this is the herb box that I started last year. Well, boxes, there's more than one. It was made from a pallet, and you take out the sections that you don't want so that the plants have enough room to grow in there. And the top left, I forget what I had in there. Oh, actually, I ended up with snapdragons because I think I tried to start thyme up there and it didn't work out. And I had that also in the middle box on the right where the believe sign is now, and it didn't do so well. So anyway, and thyme, I have a hard time growing for some reason. No patience, maybe, I don't know. But below the first box there where the pine is, and the second one is sage, and today is January 20th, and that is still growing, which just amazes me. So yeah, that's doing really well there. And then below that is flowering cabbage. And I do have pine tucked in there just for the Christmas season, and for winter I thought I would just leave it in there because I kind of like having something in there. I don't like looking out there and then just seeing empty boxes all winter. And okay, so in the top right I have parsley, and you can see that still actually looks kind of good. I don't know what it would taste like. I haven't tried it, but the parsley is still there. Middle box, like I said before, has nothing in it. And then the bottom box, I just put in some, they're like little sparkly things, something I got from the Dollar Tree because, or the dollar store, because it matched the wreath, the dollar store wreaths that my daughter and I both made. So anyway, that's what I have today for actually January 21st. I think I said the 20th. This is actually the 21st, and so it just gives you an idea what you can keep outside, I guess, in zones 5A. Today the temperature is 1 degree, and we don't always have temperatures this cold. I'm hoping it doesn't last long, but it is, you know, it's just frigid weather today, very, very cold. In fact, the bird seed is, or the bird feeder is empty, and the birds are gathering at my windows and chirping at me to go out and fill it. So I have to do that today, which I will. I told them in the next hour I would be out there. So they're used to it, and if birds are used to it, then you should keep up on it. So yesterday we had like just hundreds of birds out there. I think they were all little juncos and nuthatches, chickadees. You know, they were just all just feasting out there, knowing I think that this weather was going to get frigid today. So I'm going to go take care of that. I might throw out some cracked corn for the deer because they've been rummaging down. I don't know if you can see it from this angle, but down there's a little brook down there, and they're creating these big divots down there where I don't know what they're digging at. I know I had some phlox there a while ago, and I planted something in there. I have to look at my maps to figure out what it was that they might be going after. But I don't want them digging up my plants. So I'm going to throw cracked corn up. At least that would give them something to appease them so that they just don't go after my plants. We also get turkey, just wild turkey when we do that. And for a while we were just keeping it up closer to the wood line up there, up in the woods, because the turkeys, they scratch and they will dig up your garden. In fact, that's how I started the vegetable garden 2 years ago, was where they had their turkey scratchings. Actually, it was last year. My dates are just not, my dates are not coalescing today. But anyway, the turkeys do kind of help with, if you want anything dug up out there and grass removed, they're great. But if you don't, then they can make some nice composting areas and rip things up pretty good out there. So I try to be careful with that. So hopefully only the deer will come, and if I keep it close enough to the house, the turkey might not make it, but they usually, where the deer go, the turkey go too. So watch for those videos. They'll be coming up soon too. So anyway, if you like this, it's only, 5-minute video. I had some technical issues today. I was doing some garden planning and had some paperwork out, and I was recording that and showing my organization, but that didn't turn out so well. But I will also post that later because my audio wasn't working. Human failure on that, and to be honest. So anyway, if you like this, go ahead and like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.